Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech, and today we have the everActive NC109 smart charger that you will obviously need for 9-volt rechargeable batteries like this. So this is a straightforward product, you just need it for recharging any 9-volt batteries, and you can totally spare some bucks because this is not a really expensive one. So let's open the box and check closely the product itself. Now here we have some bubble wrap, the power plug and the device itself, and the manual that every device has. Check this out here like this. Just make sure to check the manual before usage of this device and make proper use of it. And now let's open first the power plug. Now this seems to be a really typical power plug for your wall socket. The cable seems to be fairly long. Now this seems to be an angled power plug, and we have glossy plastic that I hate. Expect a lot of fingerprints and scratches on this one. Now again, the cable seems to be not an issue here. It seems to have the appropriate length to go behind your desk, and you can always use an extension if that is needed. So here we have the length of it. It's quite typical for devices like this. So now the charger, we can see the device itself here, and we also have the ever essential silica gel. Now here we have the charger. We have 4 LEDs, 4 rubberized feet on the bottom, so to be sturdy on the table. This is a M.A.D plastic, so I can forgive the glossy plastic here. And here you power the device like this. So this was the unboxing of the everActive 5-volt charger. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.